This is the new Grand Slam fishing scale. It's also got a tape measure to measure rigs with when you're making them up on the bank, or to measure your fish if you catch quite a large fish. It's not an expensive scale, but it does the job, and it works perfectly with our Eco Wasteling. Perfect combination for that. Not expensive, but like I said, does the job for most anglers. Weighs up to 50 pounds, so that's pretty much enough to beat most British records, but a great product for the price. So that's a Grand Slam day fishing scale, and if you want any more information on this or any other of our scales, visit our website at www.grandslam.co.uk. and if you're having difficulty finding any of our products, please give us a ring on 01565 755 755.